Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, now in my last video, I decided to do the top half of the cabinets. So this time around, we're going to do the bottom half of the cabinets. I figured I'd break it up for time's sake, so let's get started. Now I am using that spray polish. It's called Furniture Polish. It's all yellow. It's from the Dollar Tree. And as a matter of fact, all the products that I will be using in a series of cleaning videos are going to be from the Dollar Tree. I think the only thing that wasn't was the big bottle of Pine Sol, and even that they carry. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Okay, now did you guys know that when you click the like button and you full watch a video, this helps me to grow. And when you comment below, that just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now, I would love for you guys to head on over to my community tab, where there I have a main channel and I also have Moments of Grace. So I have 3 channels in total. All of them have in the community tab the calendar of open invitation collaborations for everybody to enjoy. Now, this is pretty neat because there is something there for each person's niche, and this helps you meet other people, other content creators, and it helps you to grow. So it's amazing. Okay, now I think I am tired. I'm pretty much going to give this a rest. It looks pretty, pretty beautiful. I did pick up the dirt. It didn't leave too much of a shine, but I have to say it is clean. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.